Alright guys, I've got the battery pack with the EVE 50PL lithium ion cells I made earlier today. It's fully charged up to 4.2 volts per cell, and we are going to do a quick current test, look at how many amps the twin motor Dolphin pulls. Let's take a peek at the voltage drop of the pack, and yeah, just see what happens. The other thing I meant to say on this Dolphin V2 is the motors are now Emax Pro 2808 1350 kV motors instead of Emax Eco 2 1300 kV. I've also got a APC 7x5 E and EP prop on these instead of the Gemfan 7042s. And just like the V1 twin motor, the props are rotating in towards at the top. So they're both rotating in towards the fuselage. Hopefully you can see the watt meter okay. Yeah, let's give it a shot. Not too bad. Cool.